Welcome to our class for today. Let's quickly look at this question. This is the paper question 23/24C. So the question says, what weight of sodium hydroxide is required to make 500 cm³ of 0.2 molar solution? Here is sodium, Na is 23, this is molar mass. Oxygen, O is 16 grams per mole, that is molar mass. Hydrogen is 1 gram per mole, that is molar mass of hydrogen. Then these are the options given in the equation. A is given to be 40 grams, B is 20 grams, then C is 15 grams, and then D is given to be 4 grams. So my people, let's see how we can solve this. This question is actually gotten from a topic called molarity. Yes, molarity. You know, molarity is a solution. It's a solution that contains 1 mole of solute per unit dm³ of solution. That is, both solute and solvent make up 1 dm³. So now, let's quickly sort out our parameters. Solution. Looking at the question, we have been given volume. cm³ simply means volume. That is 500 cm³. And we have been this unit is called molar. Once you see capital M is called molar, then at that point we refer to as molarity. So I will say that my molarity is given to be 0.2 molar. Or the units can also be, or you can say moles per dm³. You can also use this as the units. And then we have this, all these ones are the molar weights, molar mass of each of those elements, which is this. So now, looking at this question, first and foremost, this is the key topic of this particular question. What is this guy? You know that molarity equals to number of moles divided by volume. And then this your volume must be in dm³. Your volume must be in dm³. So now at this point, if your volume is not in dm³, my people, multiply your formula with 1000. If your volume is not in dm³, multiply the whole everything by 1000. Looking at the equation, we have been given volume. Our volume is in cm³. So my people, we are going with this man. We are going with that one. So at this point, molarity is given in the equation. Numbers of moles is lacking in the equation. That means we are looking for this man. They have been given this man in the equation. So I can make this man subject formula. So I can quickly say that numbers of moles equals that plus multiply this man times this man. That is capital M times B divided by what? 1000. My molarity is given to be 0.2 times my volume is 500 in the equation divided by 1000. My people, this man times this man, that is 0.2 times 500. I'm having that my moles is equal to 0.2 times 500 will give us 100 divided by 1000. My people, this man and this man will cancel. This man and this man. We end up having 1/10. So 1/10, we are having 0.1 mole. My people, we have gotten our moles. Remember, they asked us to find the weights. That is, it's telling you the mass. Weight, mass, same thing as mass. Mass is unknown. Mass, weight and mass are the same thing. So they asked to find mass. Need to recall from numbers of moles. Recalling. Recall that numbers of moles equals to mass all over molar mass. Once you remember this formula, my people, you are free to go with this solution. Make your mass subject formula by doing what? Cross multiply, because you have calculated your numbers of moles. So at this point, if I make my mass subject formula, I will end up having moles times molar mass. So at this point, my mass will now give me my moles is 0.1 times molar mass, this man, molar mass of this man. So at this point, we end up having that mass will be equal to 0.1 and our Na, I think it was given the equation, which is 23, and plus this man, oxygen 16 in the equation, plus this man 1. So we end up having that mass will give us 0.1 times 23 plus 16 is giving us 89. 89 plus 1, 40. So here is 40. 0.1 times 40. Therefore, our mass is giving us 4 grams. Final answer. My people, let's check our option whether we have 4 grams in the option. A, we have 40. B is 20. Our C is 50. My people, this man is the correct option because this is what we derive at our answer following the complete, normal, accurate formula. Though once mathematics does not fail, once you follow the right step, my people, you are on the right track. So at this point, this is where we end our video for today. My brothers and sisters, check comment section. Comment section. Comment section. You will see the channel. Subscribe from there. Thank you very much. Remember, your instructor.